It's been a lot of me to start again. Working on myself.
Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only put pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder. Cause
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so right now we're there to highlight greatness, we're there to highlight a youth that has been doing it, you see me, Rygin King, and we're also there to squeeze in Valiant, Kabaka Pyramid, Skeng, and Alkaizer for their Irie awards, but we are focused on Rygin King right now. And as we know, Rygin King is a top artist from taller time till right now, you see me, but Rygin King find himself victim of gun violence and the man them attack Rygin King and paralyze him. But Rygin King, as always, keep that a secret when it happen, you see me. Him just disappear off of the front line and we don't hear about him, we don't see him or nothing like that. And most people just think say your Rygin King just a recuperate and you know Rygin King can get himself together before he come back on the scene. But a lot of people did not know so Rygin King was actually in a wheelchair until Rygin King come out and show the people them and release a song and then eventually release an album, Therapy, which is now album of the year, you see me, and he solely deserve it. Him deserve it 100%. Over there if you highlight it and show you say yo, in your midst of your dilemma and your stress and your depression and all these things, if you're an artist, put your pain and your sorrow in music and you will reap the benefit and the reward. You see me, so right now that is what Rygin King is doing, reaping the benefit from all of the pain and the suffering what him go through. Because he come out and he tell we, you know, Rygin King say yo, watch ya, me never feel like me want the world for know, say yo, at this me I go through. Me never feel like that, you see me. And then one day him just realize say yo, at this is now his reality. So him have to show the people them say yo, I him this, and him still go come talk to him people and perform for him people them and release a big album like this and win album of the year. We talk about many things on this channel, but we are going to highlight a youth that we see trying, a youth that we see overcome. You see me, a youth like Rygin King, where we see release songs like Circumstances. Stay strong in your circumstances. You see me? You are not defined by your circumstances. You see me? So Rygin King is not defined by being in a wheelchair because him is an artist and him can reach many different continents. You see me? And countries and people and hearts. And that is what he's doing. You see me? Release the big album Therapy and big song Therapy. You see me? All the people are them favorite song that. So Rygin King is the winner of album of the year and him solely deserve it. So big up Rygin King for his achievement even while in his dilemma, even while going through all of the situation that him go through. Not because you see Rygin King come out and release a big album, him still have the glory and all these things. When him go in yard and him look back, him want get up and him want run up and him want do some run on the stage show and do them thing there again, you see me? So him still feel the pain, but him still, even while he feeling the pain, him still able if he can project and if he can inspire and if he can motivate other people where they out there, you see me? So big up Rygin King. Another artist that we want to highlight and give the ratings is Valiant, you see me? Because right now Valiant is Irie biggest winner. Valiant is New Artist of the Year, Slang of the Year, Kachiatalai, you see me? And also Male Singj of the Year. So Irie I give that respect that is due to Valiant, and I show Valiant say yo, because pre this Valiant come out and say Kachiatalai, and him in him wildest dreams never know said that one slang alone would have put him at the forefront of dancehall music, you see me, to the point where him rich right now and him non-talk. You see me? Because a lot of times we see people come out with slang and them say, oh, and me create that talk there and the artist says steal it and all these things. But we don't hear about them. You see me? Whether them are artists or what or whoever them is are just Jamaican entertainers or comedy where them do skits and Ray. Them just last get 15 minutes of fame and last. Valiant is a top artist that have been doing it behind the scenes because from the Popcorn time, you see me, and Popcorn disrespect him, what him do, him go back and him work on him craft and then him come back and see him get the most nomination and him get the most award on the night of Irie FM big award show where them a show respect to the artists them. We like to say that and we are going to highlight it. You see me, so big up Valiant for continue the consistency, you see me, of releasing hit songs, cut all my losses, you see me, don't check and all these things. So big up Valiant. Another person that we want to highlight is Alkaline, and Alkaline is a low-key type of youth. You see me, Alkaline, you don't really hear about Alkaline nowadays in the media, but listeners' choice, Alkaline, because people still tune in to Alkaline, people still listen to Alkaline, people still are streaming music on YouTube, on Spotify, on Tidal, on Apple Music, on Deezer, on Pandora, you see me. All these streaming platform people are streaming music because him have a big and a wide and a supportive fan base. And Alkaline has put himself in a situation where him don't need to come out and release 6-7 songs, you see me, a week or a day. Him don't need to do that. Him place himself in a situation where him can do like what the international artists them do. Release one song for the month, you see me. Alright, so Skeng and Nicki Minaj has won the collaboration of the year for their hit song, Little Miss, international song with international artists, you see me, because Skeng come out with Drop Top production and released the big bad song, Little Miss, and that was a hit song amongst the Caribbean ladies. And one Caribbean lady in particular, we are talking about Nicki Minaj, because you know that she hailed from Trinidad and Tobago, and she vibed to the song, post a video of vibing to the song, and then next thing you know, we get a collab with Nicki Minaj and Skeng. Then that song was a big song and a big move for Skeng on the international scene, but then Nicki Minaj go as far as getting 9 females on the song. I believe she make 9, so 8 females on the song, you see me, and the song went #1 on Apple Music, something that a Jamaican dancehall artist have not done in years. You see me, since the Omi time when Omi went #1 on Billboard, we never see that in a while now. You see me, so big up Nicki Minaj for reach out to Skeng and really do this and put Skeng #1, and that means say yo, the music sell, because there's no way you can reach plan #1 on iTunes if people not buy the music, because iTunes deal with buying of music, and you stream music, I buy the music, you see me. Apple Music, you stream music, that different, but you have to purchase the song the song can go #1 on iTunes. So big up Nicki Minaj for do that for Skeng, put some money in the youth pocket and the international, and put money in all of the other female artists them pocket too, you see me. So that song was a big song of the year and everybody loved that song, you see me, and that was the biggest collaboration without a doubt, we can say, because it did go #1. It was a big song for both Nicki Minaj and Skeng, you see me. More respect, Jamaican give Nicki Minaj more respect from doing that song with Skeng, and then people on the international scene start to get to recognize Skeng, and people start view him as an international artist among the Popcorn, the Skilly Bang, and so forth and so on. You see me? Kabaka Pyramid won Irie FM Album of the Year, and Kabaka Pyramid also won the Grammy. You see me? So in one album of the year at the Grammy. So big up Kabaka Pyramid and his Irie FM achievement, and also on his Grammy achievement. You see me? It's nice to see a Jamaican reggae artist do it, win the Grammy, and you know just have the Bob Marley family them that win it year by year because of favoritism or whatever the case might be. So we're glad to see Kabaka Pyramid come out and win this award like the coffee, and no Kabaka Pyramid. Next time you're going to see a Massicka or a VybzKartel, you see me? So big up.